Let me in, please.
Let's go to the beach.
Full force and she got me like, I be like, why you so fine? Gotta make you mine. So hard to find.
It's time to make our stand. Our fight is not with the Martians. You're a couple short. I might know a way to contact her.
Mommy, sorry.
One more time, tell me what to do. Wee, wee, one more time. Wee.
To drive us.
No more civilians, Nicta.
You need to get Rael's voice out of your head.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Make you mine. So hard to find. Baby, like.
Who are you?
These are some of the most formidable witches I've ever met.
That my best friend, she a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor. She had 2-3 drinks, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in.
That's my best friend, she a real bad bitch, drive her own car. She don't need no lift in a strip club. No, my girl gon' tip, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in. Beep, beep. Is that my bestie in a taxi?
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hello? What?
Who the fuck are you?
Who the fuck are you?
I asked you first.
I asked you second.
No, I don't see her. Please, Tally.
Nicta said it wasn't safe.
Please. Keep going.
Hey, you two should kiss.
What is it? What are you seeing?
Taylor!
I know what you are.
Say it. Out loud. Say it.
Drink these. It'll make this easier.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
I'm good. Suit yourself.
Everybody is on.
How are you here right now? Same as you. I came through the front door. Help me understand. If you don't try these, you may regret it. How did you find Toledo? Why bring her here?
Serious? Not what it looks like. Right in front of my salad?
Do that fateful dance. Wow, you can really dance. Wow, you can really dance. He went.
They said we've both been dancing all this time. What a coincidence.
If your woman's got another man. Another man.
Sheldon, what the hell are you doing? Same thing I've been doing for 3 days, trying to figure out why electrons behave as if they have no mass when traveling through a graphene sheet.
With marbles?
I needed something bigger than peas, now didn't I?
Sheldon, when was the last time you got any sleep?
I don't know, 2, 3 days, not important. I don't need sleep, I need answers.
What are you doing? To get to Riel, I need to tap into the mycelium. How does he keep finding us?
Full force and she got me like, I be like, why you so fine? Gotta make you mine.
I reserve my best moves for the lucky few.
Yeah, but you being the key word. I mean, when is the last time that you had your mark shine? Stop!
Okay, it is not easy being America's most wanted, not having a paramour on the run with you. Paramour, yep. It has been way too long. Look, okay, use your sight for something useful to us. Stop. There has to be at least one worthy specimen in this bar.
You need to tell me what is going on, now.
After you. Okay. Thanks.
Suspicious. That's weird.
And Ray? That's all I get? Please hurry.
A child.
You sure you want to do this? Bring it.
The girls are fighting! No!
Is that all you got?
That is what we call a bitch slap. A bitch slap for a bitch.
All of you!
Daddy, chill.
Brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never this.
No one enters this room but me. Look, check in every 5 minutes.
Happy?
God! Okay, it's happening!
Looks like you'll have all the time in the world to look for your missing girlfriend now.
Back off, Batan. None of us planned for this.
Oh, that's obvious.
Everybody stay calm! What's the procedure, everyone? What's the...
Hey, you okay? What happened out there?
She got us caught. That's what happened.
What about Rael?
procedure? Stay calm! Whatever.
Were you able to contact her?
No. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
My emotions! My emotions!
This my baby. And ain't nobody finna touch her.
Stay with us as the president speaks.
Miss Keisha. Miss Keisha. Miss Keisha. Oh my fucking god, she fucking dead.
If you know how I feel, why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy. You know I tried.